Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to remove background from the images using Canva. So let's say you have an image here, but this image here as a background. To remove this background, just click on the image, click on edit photo, click on busy remover. It will just take a second and it will remove you the background. Now you don't have a background. Now you can do anything with this image. Now the trick part. Let's say you have a text here. Let's write it anything like this. Make a copy of this. Choose effect, text effect, hollow. Push this back. Go to layers, send to back. Now carefully make this hollow type text overlap over solid type of text. Now as you can see, it gives you a nice little 3D effect on the text for the image now. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.